that blush though. Anong nangyari sa blush? Nasaan na yung lipstick? Where is it? Okay. Ay! Shoot. Nahulog ang aking egg pour. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be reviewing this. Wait, ayusin ko muna siya. Inopen ko na kasi. Chateau Labiotte. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm wrong, then I know someone will correct me in the comments. And thank you in advance. Ito yung wine lipstick nila. Melting lipstick, sabi dito. And na-review ko na yung wine lip tint nila. I really like that lip tint. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will leave the link below para makita nyo. So I got mine in the shade Nude. So BE01. I got mine at stylekorean.com. I will leave their link below if you guys are interested. This is $11.96 USD. $12. Sa stylekorean.com, meron silang 2468 shades and I got the lightest shade. Okay, so yung claims niya is it is a long-wearing lipstick daw. So we'll see about that. And then dyes the lips with a bold yet delicate color. Wine-shaped case and intense color lipstick. This shade in particular is not bold, really, in my opinion. But I like it, so. Yeah, I've had this on for, what, 5 minutes now? And medyo tight pa rin yung feeling ng lips ko. Hindi ko pa na-feel yung moisturizing effect niya daw na sinasabi niya sa claims niya. Yung first part ng application clip is in-apply ko siya using the lipstick bullet lang. And then, hindi ko siya nagustuhan at all. But then, I checked the website again and sabi, dapat i-apply mo siya with a sponge tip. So, that's what I did. That's why I got this color right here. So, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the application part of this video. Yes! I did feature this in one of my hauls, you guys. Yung huge Korean makeup and skincare haul. Merong giveaway sa video na yun. And isa sa inyo will win this exact, no, not this exact, but the same lipstick. Nandun na siya sa bag. But yeah, same lipstick, same shade. Okay, as usual, I have nothing on my lips, but I do apply lip balm every night. As in, every night talaga before ako matulog. Pero ngayon, nada. Nothing. Look at this packaging, you guys. How cute! Grabe, ang cute mo. Meron siyang ganyan, foam. Siguro kapag gusto mong blend ang iyong lipstick. And then the actual lipstick is right here. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ganyan yung swatch niya sa kamay. O, diba? Ganda ng swatch. Okay, ilalagay ko na siya sa lips ko. Wow. Okay. Hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. And then medyo patchy din siya. I'm not loving this color. Pero, wala na tayong choice. May pagka-fruity yung amoy niya. Yung amoy niya hindi ganun ka, ano yung ganyan. Hindi ganun ka noticeable. Yeah. Yeah, merong hint ng wine ng konti. But, mas naamoy ko yung wine dun sa lip tint. Dito, konting-konting wine lang. As in, parang hindi mo siya na-notice at all. The lipstick though, hindi siya nude. This is supposed to be nude. More on pink than nude to me. Hindi siya ganun ka-even. Medyo patchy siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. Mas pigmented yung wine lip tint over ang pigmentation ng isang yun. As you guys can see, meron din siyang glossy finish. Hindi siya matte at all. You guys, binasa ko yung website and sabi, use the tip daw to apply the lipstick para meron ka daw control. So, I'm gonna do that. I will remove this right now. Okay, ni-remove ko na siya. Now, I will go ahead and use the sponge tip. Tingnan ko lang ng maayos kung paano nila i-apply. So, use the sponge tip daw to control the amount of lipstick that you want to apply on the lips. Siguro, gaganunin mo lang siya dyan. This is not the most convenient. I have that much. Magsisimula ako sa gitna. Ooh, okay. That's very, very light. Pero hindi na siya as patchy as kanina. Parang wala lang. Let's go ahead and apply more. Okay. This is second layer na. Nagamit ko tong foam applicator. Parang beauty blender lang sa lips. No, not really. This is hard. Yung beauty blender soft. I will go ahead and apply on the upper lip itong lipstick na to. Tapos i-blend ko siya using the sponge. Kapag from the bullet talaga yung application, hindi siya like even tingnan, very patchy siya. So, konti lang yung nalagay ko sa very center lang ng upper lip ko. And then, I will go ahead and blend it with this. Now I like it. Ito na yung nude na sinasabi nila. So, for this lipstick, kailangan mo talaga gamitin yung applicator. Mas maganda yung finish niya, nagamit mo yung applicator. I suggest na maglagay ka lang sa lips ng konti, like sa center lang, tapos i-blend mo siya pa outward. Kasi kapag gamit mo yung applicator, tapos kuha-kuha ka dito, lagay-lagay, it's just a lot of work. Mas gusto ko yung lagyan mo lang siya ng konti, tapos blend using this. Yung lips ko, I'm not gonna lie, feels tighter right now. So, we'll see kung ano magiging ganap niya. Pero you guys, it looks really natural on the lips. Na-notice ko rin na very slightly nagda-dry yung lips ko. Nakikita ko na merong nagpo-form na mga cracks sa inner part ng lower lip ko. Pero tingnan natin kung magsistay siyang ganyan mamaya. So right now, it looks really nice. I will be wearing this lipstick the whole day and night. Today and tonight. So, it is now 11:58 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. I am back! It is now 4:50 ng hapon. So, hindi ko na alam kung ilang oras na nakalipas. I already had lunch. Tapos, uminom na ako ng maraming beses and nakasnack na din ako. Pero yung snack ko parang wala lang din kasi cracker lang siya. Parang wala lang nangyari, diba? Pero, malapitan. Makikita nyo na medyo nagda-dry yung inner part ng lower lip ko. Actually, yung upper lip din. Yung pinaka-inner part lang. Pero yeah, drying siya ng konti. Pero, yung tint, nandito pa rin yung tint. As you guys can see, kumain na ako. Parang wala lang, hindi naman sa parang wala lang nangyari. Pero nandito pa rin siya. Wala ka nakikitang parang obvious na nag-fade na yung inner corner whatsoever. Nag-fade na siya ng super slight lang. Pero, nandun pa rin siya. Like, you still can see the tint. I still have that very nice, natural-looking, subtle tint on my lips, which I actually really like. Nafe-feel ko pa rin na medyo tight yung lips ko. Same pa rin sa kanina. So, I'm not sure if mawawala siya at all. Hindi siya nag-transfer sa food ko at all nung kumakain ako. So, it is definitely kiss-proof. Hindi siya nagka-transfer at all. As soon as nag-set na siya, hindi siya magka-transfer. I'm not gonna retouch because I honestly don't feel the need to. Like, nandito pa rin naman yung tint. And okay na okay pa naman siya tingnan. So, hindi ako mag-retouch. Pero later on, before ko i-close yung review, i-retouch ko siya and see ko anong ganap niya kapag i-retouch natin siya. I'll be back later for my final update. Hello! It is now 11:13 ng gabi. We had dinner sa bahay ng mama ni Dan. And yeah, sobrang late kami nakauwi kasi we stayed to have coffee. But yeah, it's late. The lipstick, I think it's all gone. Like, can you see? Wala na. As in, wala na talaga siya. Look at that. And you guys, very dry ng inner corner ng lips ko, especially the lower lip. Can you see that? Very dry siya tingnan. Sobrang dry ng inner corner. As in, sobrang dry. I'm not sure if it's because of the weather. Sa lahat ng lipstick na nagamit ko, lip liner, whatever, ito, yung sobrang nag-dry to the point na parang nag-crack yung iba. Can you see this? It's really cold today, pero merong mga days na sobrang lamig dito na hindi naman ganito nagda-dry yung lips ko. And nag-fade na din siya totally. Ang dami kong kinain today though. Like the dinner, nagpasta kami, nag-dessert, tapos nag-fruit, tapos meron pang snack after, nag-coffee pa. So madami nang pinagdaanan yung lips ko. I will go ahead and retouch and see kung okay siya i-retouch. Yeah, na-emphasize niya yung mga dry patches. Ang tsaka, tignan nyo guys. I don't like it. Oh my gosh, you need to see this. One sec. Look at that. Hindi ko nakita ganyan, nagka-crack yung lips ko at all. And nakita ko dumudugo dito. Nakakadire. Wait, oh my goodness. Okay, I don't like it kasi sobrang nagda-dry yung lips ko. I will continue using it and update you guys on my vlog and see kung ano magiging ganap niya. I don't like that it's really drying. Aside from that, it's all good. Like, I like the color, I like the longevity, I like how it applies. So yeah, that's basically it for this review. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! I am back, and it is now 4:50. No reason why. What? Parang foam na churba. I'm not gonna retouch. My babe is calling me. Babe. Babe.
It's owner fine. I'm heading back to the office now, babe, and then yeah, I'll come home as quick as I can, but I'll be till 6 or around after 6.
That's alright. Take your time.